What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today I'm going to show you one easy way where you can get a crap load of cash back on all your online purchases. Alright guys, so let's jump right on into it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you Ebates. I'm sure you've heard of it and I'm sure you've seen it and maybe some of you even use it. But talking to my friends, they make big ticket, purchases online and they forget to use Ebates. And they're just leaving so much cash on the table. It's like when we're in a trade and we don't scale out of it and we just take all our profit at once and we leave a ton of cash on the table. It's the same thing. We buy stuff online every single day, basically, at this point in time, or at least multiple times a week. And by not using Ebates, we're leaving a ton of cash on the table. Just right now, I've been a member of Ebates since 2011, but I didn't start using this until last year, I think it was. And right now, my cash back, here it is, life cash back so far has been $351.63. And current cash back balance is $26.68. You can see here my big fat check history, and you'll see this is February. All right, this is February. I got $61.11, and it came from all these purchases. See, eBay, Lowe's, Outnet.com, must have been Christmas presents. I don't even know what that is. Macy's, Walmart, Sperry, Amazon, and you can see cash back for all these purchases, including Lowe's. That's 30 bucks right here. So I mean, yeah, you can see it's a big purchase, and I got back 30 bucks. But remember, you're getting cash back from Ebates. You're getting cash back from your credit card that you're using, plus coupon codes that you use when you make your purchase. You're saving a ton of money. You can't just go out there and buy retail stuff, craziness, without like thinking, okay, how can I like leverage this to save money, right? Because this is all money that was saved that could have been used for anything else. 61 bucks. That's your, maybe your monthly cell phone plan. That's some lunches. That's a night out there for a movie and some snacks, maybe a quick little dinner and then go catch a movie. Depending on how thrifty you want to be, $61 can really, last you a while. But here you can see all my different checks here, right? $61 check, $9 check, $23 check, $15 check, $251 check. So yeah, it's been a year now. I actually got my first check back in February of 2018. Now, the way it works is really simple. You just go to Ebates, and let's say you want to go ahead and shop one of the stores, right? You want to buy something at, let's see here, whatever. You want to buy something at Macy's. Or better yet, you need a new computer, and you're going to Dell. Look at Dell, 10% cash back. So you click cash back. You're on your way to earn 10% cash back. It opens up the Dell website, and you can do this on your phone too. And then you just pick whatever item it is that you're going to buy, and you check out like normal. So let's say we're going to buy this. Well, this looks like it's some sort of doorbuster, so it might not even be available now. So let's see. Okay, we're going to buy this, right? Well, I'm not going to buy it because I'm not about to spend $1,300 on a laptop when I don't need one. But let's say that's what you were going to do, right? Okay, so 10%. You would make 10% cash back on that, guys. It's going to be on your let's see, let's continue to cart. It's going to be on your subtotal where they give you your cash back. So yeah, here you go, right? That's going to be your cash back. It's going to be based on that. That's significant savings. If you're going to buy it already, if this was on your list, why not get your cash back on it, right? Let's say you wanted to buy something on eBay. You just type eBay here. eBay has up to 2% cash back. 2% is better than no percent, right? So you go to eBay, shop now. See, it's activating. Now you're in eBay. Now you just go and you type in keyboard. Let's say you need a new keyboard. You're going to buy this keyboard or this one. You're going to get 2% cash back. That's a good savings. That's a real good savings. I mean, it adds up, as you can see, because they cut out your check like every quarter. So it adds up, And it's a nice little extra savings that you get. Remember, you get cash back from your regular credit card as well, right? Or some sort of points. Before you know it, you've actually regained, quite a bit of money. So in a year, I made back, $351. I got back. Also, if you're going to sign up for Ebates, let's see here. I'm guessing. Yeah, here we go. So let's say you have an Ebates account, right? Oh, look here, recently added Amazon $1.20, Sears $9.70, Amazon $7, almost $8. So they start adding up. But let's say you're gonna refer your friends and family. You just click here, refer and earn, and you're gonna make $25. You can put your friend's email in there. You can share it on Facebook. You can use this link, which is gonna be in the description below. So if you don't have an Ebates account, click my link, and that way we'll both should get some sort of credit. See here. Yeah, see, if you use my link right now, and when you spend $25, I'll get $25 and you'll get $10. It's better than getting no bucks, right? So like if you just go open up an Ebates account right now and you don't use my link, you're not gonna get those $10. But if you use my link, which is in the description below, you're gonna make $10 when you purchase your first $25 sale, right? So you buy something for $25, they give you $10 back. It really cost you 15. So it's a win-win. I use Ebates like anytime I want to buy something online, and I try to always remember. Sure, I'll forget sometimes, but I never forget when it comes to big ticket items. And I mean, guys, you can even look, check this out. If you're gonna go on a cruise, you can come here, cruise direct, and then click shop now, and then you're gonna get 2% back on your cruise. And I'm talking about everybody: Carnival, Norwegian, Royal, everyone's on here. All right, so you just pick your port, etc., and you get cash back on your cruise. It's really awesome. I like Ebates a lot, and it's because of that, because you can get that cash back. You can see here $351.63. Now you know that there is more than one way to actually get some money back from all your purchases. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're always alerted every single time I upload a video. And remember, the links below to Ebates. Catch you later.